Don't let a business card lose you business. A business card is more than just a piece of paper. It's a trophy. It's an honor for me to give you a business card. See this business card? Multi-billion-dollar company. It's crap. It's just information. It's notebook paper thin. Keeps a crease. This thing tells me nothing. Look at this guy. President. President of what? Multi-billion-dollar companies. All of the cards. Crap. 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 I don't have any reason to keep these cards. See this card? This card I've been designing since Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. This card, 32-point thickness. Border, the branding of our company. This thing has a nice suede finish. So soft, 17 ply soft. This thing, so thick, I can't even bend it. It's not because I'm weak, it's because it's strong. This card does more than just give you information. This card speaks to you. No, really, it speaks to you. I'm Brian Bogus, president of Abstract. After years in the industry, we have noticed that you want to leave an impression? You need a card that gives them a reason to. You don't have to like me to keep this card, but it's effective, so you will keep this card.